What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of EDB Outdoors here. So today I'm out here on the water. So far nothing, just got out here actually, so I have lots of time on my hand of like 4 or 5 hours of fishing till dark. So yeah, my goal today is a walleye and a burbot. There's pike, perch, walleye, burbot, and lake whitefish in here. So yeah, hopefully we can cross the bucket list, fish the burbot, and if we do catch one, I'll do catch and cook on it, so that'll be awesome. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll catch you hopefully on the first fish. Seen my first pike on the camera finally. There he is right there, look at that. He's gonna eat it, he's gonna eat it. Alrighty guys, so we just had a pike eat the camera here. So, one of my neighbors actually just came over here just to say hi and see how I was doing. And he went over to some guys that were almost beside me, like, I don't know, about 200-300 yards away from me. And they are catching perch. So I put down a perch rig. I didn't see any. I think I'm in the perch spot, or sorry, not a perch spot, the pike spot. So yeah, hopefully that is going to change. I could really use a perch. That'd be crazy. That'd be a nice catch. So yeah, stick around. Hopefully we'll have some more luck. Finally guys, there's a nice little pike here. Oh, this is a relief after at least an hour so far fishing. There he is. Let's get the release. Back down the water he goes. Woohoo! Alrighty guys, I'm so happy. Finally we got that pike. It's not very big, but I'm very happy for that. Alrighty guys, just had a big pike come in, bite my hook. And of course he took my bait. Boy. That was a big pike. That was not small. I'm just listening to music here. Alrighty guys, I am pumped right now. You won't believe what I just caught. Check out the size of this perch. I wasn't targeting perch today. I didn't expect there's perch around here. Look at this. Look at that perch. 12-incher right there. Look at the size of that thing. I just seen him on the camera. He chased after my pike with the jig and minnow. And then all of a sudden, I dropped my little jig down and boom, he hit it so hard. Oh, I am shaking right now. So hopefully it's another one around to bite. Hold the camera down.
Big old perch. That's a big perch. Those fillets are big.
That is very big. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed that awesome video. I had an amazing day on the water. I have lots more perch fishing videos and pike fishing videos coming up this weekend and stuff. So as you've seen, I caught my new personal best perch, 12 inches and 1 1/4 pound. my biggest perch I've ever caught. Unbelievable. So I found my new spot that I'm going to be fishing at. So yeah, we are having lots more perch fishing and pike fishing videos coming up on EDB Outdoors. So thank you all for watching. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and send a comment. See you guys.